right, now Kevin Martin's going to talk about cover crops.
25 years ago, LERGP started. I think I remember they were talking about cover crops at Militello's. I was about 7 years old. At that time, it was basically ryegrass and vineyards. Since that time, there's been a lot of research done in wine grapes about how to reduce vigor with cover crops by planting them as competition. Luke Haggerty reviewed that research and decided that it really doesn't work very well. So if it doesn't really work well to reduce vigor, what can we do in Concord vineyards to actually increase vigor? And I became involved in the project as an economic person because as he started to see positive results, vine size and vine health are very closely linked to profitability, because with increased vine size, we can ripen more crop. And in the Concord industry, that's what we want to do. What we passed around is a typical blend of something we would plant. Behind you over here, we've got a buckwheat planting. We found buckwheat has worked really well for establishing summer cover crops. We got this seed from Bob Betts.
We're planting 4 different blends this year. Our top blend has 6 different kinds of seeds in it to do different things in our vineyard. For instance, one is a grain rye, and we can let it mature and roll crimp it, so we non-chemical kill our middle row. And another blend we're using is on oats, buckwheat, and radish, and it should winter kill. It should all be just bare ground. We plant different types of legumes, peas, and red clover for nutrient nitrate that's more available to the plant. And a lot of your grasses and your radish are scavengers. And the radish will go down 3 to 4 feet in the ground and break the hard pans and find nutrients left over, bring it to the surface so it's there for the next crop year. We've been seeding now for like 6 or 7 years of different things, trying different things.
So most of the seeding we do is with a no-till or partial till seeder that you see right here. Most of the growers that are involved in seeding use a no-till seeder. We wanted to show you this buckwheat because it's what we use in open fields in the summer as for weed suppression, but a mix like that we would plant maybe last week going into early August. So there's not a lot to see yet other than the seeds because we just got it planted. So basically what we're seeing, especially in heavy clay soils, is an increase in vine size. We have not fully explained why because we only have 2 years worth of data, but it's enough to show promise and to continue the research and to hopefully find a more diverse way to manage Concord vineyards and get some cover crops in our vineyards rather than just using Roundup, which isn't working as well as it used to. Anybody find a buckwheat seed?
Yeah. He wins a hat?
He wins a hat.
Oh, all right.
Oh, I get that.
Oh, I ate it.
I did instruct him to eat it.